Um, I've recently become acquainted with a wonderful young fellow named Luke Wallace, who's a Canadian eco-activist and songwriter. And he was literally on the front lines with old growth forest protection in British Columbia and spent months. The most vivid detail he told me was that people were actually cementing their arms into the road to make them more of a blockade, more of a nuisance to the police. And they did achieve in saving some things, but he has created a whole body of what I call like eco-choruses or eco-anthems. And we've arranged one of them for Kirsten's New Earth Ensemble to introduce to you. And this is movement music, so honestly, we want to help you learn it and sing it with us. And we hope that you can join in with us as we go for one of these songs. It's called Easy on the Earth. Well, sons and daughters, easy on the earth.
Easy on the earth, lightly on the water. Remember this place is for your sons and daughters. Easy on the earth, lightly on the water. Remember who this place is for.
Easy on the earth,
easy on the earth, lightly on the water. Remember this place is for your sons and daughters. Easy on the earth, lightly on the water. Remember who this place is for.
Get your kids to the garden, with the garden they'll grow, and they'll learn to go easy, they'll learn to live slow. Get your kids to the garden, in the garden they'll grow, and they'll learn to go easy, yeah.
And get your kids to a river, with the river they'll flow. It'll teach them how to paddle, it'll teach them how to row. Get your kids to a river, with the river they'll flow. It'll take them where they need to go.
Easy, easy, I'm going easy, yeah. I'm going easy, easy, I'm going easy, yeah.
Let them see their reflections wherever they go. In the rain, what a flood, what a sleet, hail, snow. Let them see their reflections wherever they go.
Easy on the earth, lightly on the water. Remember this place is for your sons and daughters. Easy on the earth, lightly on the water. Remember who this place is for.
easy on the earth, lightly on the water. Remember this place is for your sons and daughters.
Easy on the earth, lightly on the water. Remember who this place is for.
So thank you all, and thank you. Okay. We're now getting towards the last piece of music that Shawn composed for us. I'll let him say a bit about it in just a minute, but I did want to remind you that we appreciate you guys doing the QR code. The other thing is that we want to grow Tempo. You can come to our website at tempo-music.org if you want to be part of it, if you want to be connected with musicians as we grow around the area. But I hope you've been able to enjoy this, and we will finish with music and let Shawn talk about what he's thinking about as he put this together.
My first couple of comments in the panel were about that elusive dream of can we create something that's viral, that's catchy? And it's very hard to force things in the arts because it's really inspiration-based. But you can try, you can hope. And also what you can do is kind of harvest what are the operative concepts or principles that are important. And this song is called Courage to Care, because as we were thinking about what's, Tempo has been, we've made this point a lot, but just the idea that the statistics are grim, they're scary. They really are scary. but we need to be moving forward in hope. So the whole idea that it takes courage to care when the odds are tough, at the midnight hour when you doubt your power. So I've got page after page of lyric ideas. I work on 11 by 17 paper and just scratch a million ideas and rhyme words and what rhymes with that, what rhymes with that. But anyway, this song is structured a little bit as call response with places where you can just repeat. So we really want to sing it for you, but we most want to sing it with you. So we do definitely invite you to please join in as you wish on some of the recurring patterns. So this is called Courage to Care. Do you want to say anything else, Kirsten?
No, it's just I can say that I have heard a lot of Shawn's lyrics over the last couple of months, and it's been a pleasure to kind of hear the piece develop. And we do hope that you'll join us on some of the repeating parts, and they should be clear on the lyrics. So we look forward to singing Courage to Care with you.
When the stats are grim, it takes courage to care. When the odds are slim, it takes courage to care. When the stats are grim and the odds are slim, it takes courage to care. Courage to care. At the midnight hour, it takes courage to care. When you doubt your power, it takes courage to care. At the midnight hour, when you doubt your power, it takes courage to care. Courage to care. Every action counts. Together we amount to millions. Every pride we're sharing. Courage to care. Every trip we're sparing. Courage to care. Every tree that's standing. Courage to care. Every change demanding. Courage to care. When the trouble's deep, it takes courage to care. And the way is steep, it takes courage to care. When the trouble's deep and the way is steep, it takes courage to care. Courage to care. Every step adds up. Together we will climb this mountain. If we want to break a fever, turn the doubter to believer. Turn the doubter to believer. If we want to break a fever, turn the doubter to believer. Turn the doubter to believer. That we can make it to the top in time. That we can make it to the top in time. That we can make it to the top in
you.